Well, the firm's been around since 1998, and in the past few years we've developed a specialty of handling the child molestation cases, and we've been fairly successful. Our first verdict was for $30 million, which is a record verdict in a case like that, and then our most recent verdict was last December, was against the Los Angeles Unified School District for $23 million, again a record verdict in a case like this. When we first take on a client, we get them the best medical treatment they can possibly get. And the great thing is there's no money out of pocket for the client. The experts will work on a lien basis, or if we hire them as experts, we pay them. And so there's no obligation, there's no risk for the client. It is very difficult for the victims to come forward. It's the most difficult part of the case. We have trained psychologists on staff who deal with sexual abuse victims and help them cope with what they're going through, understand what they're going through, and get them comfortable enough to where they can tell their story. Because their story needs to be told. It has to be told, because people need to know that sexual abuse in a classroom, in a church, in a foster family agency is not acceptable. Unfortunately, it happens way too often. And the only way we're going to prevent this as a society is to get the problem out there and to hold people accountable.